Welcome back, everybody. In today's video of what did we get ourselves into, we are changing out the Suburban water heater, which we talked about back on the video when we did the anode rod. She's feeling around on the carpet because it's still a little damp there from when we...
It's not damp, it's wet.
Wet?
Yeah.
Well, we'll figure that out. We'll figure that out after. It's one problem at a time. Basically, we got the front all undone. We have to undo this line and this line. And then back here, way in the back, you can see that little box. We basically have to get that disconnected for the 120. And so that this little box down here, we got to cut the zip tie on that. That's the control module for the hot water heater. So we have to get those so that we can basically get this water heater straight out the front. You can already see the daylight because the front's already done. We've already drained it. So on with the show. Some of it we'll try and record, and we may not be able to get all of it because it's just a really tight fit in here. So we'll kind of stop and show you progress as we go. This is what I found. Looks like somebody electrical taped all this stuff, and it is half melted.
Oh, Jesus. Again?
So yeah, you can see here, this is in pretty bad shape. I need to pull that and trim it and redo that, so...
Okay. So what he is currently doing is taking the male fittings off of the back of the water inlet supply for the water heater, because the unit new does not come with those male fittings for hooking up to your pipes. So he's taking those off the water heater. And now, yet again, another project that requires an additional trip to Lowe's because the half-inch fittings on the rear of the old water heater are completely fused. Robert could not get those off of there, so we gotta go to Lowe's and get us some more fittings so we can attach the water heater to our water lines so we can actually use it.
Yeah, fittings are fully corroded and bonded. Yeah. So even with a hammer and the wrench, it basically just bent the metal threads and the nut. It would not budge. So yeah, new fittings it is. So be right back.
I'm going to slowly turn the water on.